is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've
Hey
got
y'all.
another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and
Come on.
at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, first things first, let's get the pine base nice and fluffed out. So our base, y'all, this is a really pretty base. It's already pre-done. Makes my life super easy. For this wreath, I'm gonna put hole punches in it. All right, so y'all, we're just adding our pipe cleaners around here. All right, so I'm just gonna attach this right down into my frame. All right, y'all, let's make the bow. All right, let's make a bow. We're gonna start with our 4-inch. We're gonna go about 12 inches. We're gonna give it a good pinch. We're gonna give it a good twist. Slide that twist right between the pegs. We're gonna measure out to about 6.5 to 7 inches. Give it a good twist. All right, on this side, we're gonna cut about 8 inches. All right, we're gonna measure this about 8 inches. Give it a good twist. This loop's gonna be slightly smaller. All right, measure out our tail again. Get our twist in there. Get our trucks going. Slightly smaller loops. Uh-oh. Y'all. This bow is not in the right order. We forgot the black and white. Do you use a certain brand of ribbons? Yeah, all the ones from decoexchange.com. Y'all, that mistake is actually okay because look right here on that last little 1/2 inch, the ribbon is taped together. So I can now work backwards and not have that problem. So I'll just start it on this end with the 8-inch tail. What kind of bow is this? A terry bow, I guess. All right, now this time, this one is upside down, so I'm just gonna lift it, give it one good twist. Now we're gonna go with our center loop. I'm going to do a solid red center, just to kind of tie it all back together. Gonna grab a 20-inch pipe cleaner, fold it in half. All right, take a pipe cleaner, slide it on through. All right, we're gonna give it a good pinch and twist it off. Y'all, don't over twist. You can break your pipe cleaner. All right, look how pretty that is. Y'all, I might have to take the sign off and move it. Y'all, this time we're gonna add the bow first, and then we'll put the sign in there. Y'all, this time let's be smart about this, and let's add our bow first. All right, so this time we added our bow first because it's a lot bigger than the original bow. So now I can take my sign and work it to where the bow won't cover the whole thing up. Y'all, all I'm doing is wrapping that pipe cleaner right around the frame. All right, so we're just dovetailing our ribbon. Look how pretty.